So, ayun. Good afternoon again, Josh. This time we'll now have your practice set for chemical kinetics. So, I'll be sharing our problem set muna, ha? So, this will be your lucky number, practice set number 13.
That's a lucky
Chemical
number.
kinetics. That's a lucky number for you. For you. Anyway, okay. So for letter A, we have the ways of expressing chemical reaction rates. 1A is very easy.
It's
So
the
you
herald of
just write, mhm, just write the um, relative rate of appearance or disappearance for each reactants and products from this balance equation. It's a generic one. Okay, good. Okay, so with that in mind, while you're still writing, why do you have a negative sign for A and B?
Nawawala po yung E and B. Their
Very good.
reaction.
So the concentration is decreasing. For C and D, increased positive sign denotes an increasing concentration. Okay. What can you say about the stoichiometric coefficient? There should be what?
They
There
should
should be.
be on the denominator.
Okay, o kaya you take the negative inverse or naka-negative 1 sila or inverse ng stoichiometric coefficient and then multiply that to the rate of appearance and disappearance of your ano ay nga ito? Of your reaction. Okay, so okay na tayo dyan. For number 2, so I think I allowed already screen sharing. Ayan. For number 2, meron na ngayong isa-solve. I think you can solve on the left side kasi medyo ano naman siya, no? Ratio and proportion. So, consider the reaction to nitrogen oxide or mononitrogen monoxide. Pwede ring nitrogen monoxide lang yan. Reacting with your oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. So, there's a particular moment during the reaction of NO reacting at the rate of 0.066 molar per second. So letter A, what rate is NO2 being formed and at what rate is molecular oxygen reacting? Sige, go ahead. So I need the rate here. So that may value kang mapoproduce ha. Sige, you can write your solution dito sa left side. Diba you have a free space naman. So siguro you can screen share na lang starting from B onwards. Madali lang naman si A. Go ahead. Okay, so that will be equal to what? Mm-hmm. Correct, negative 1/2. Okay, so inuna mo yung letter B. Okay.
Letter B. Letter B. Letter C. Letter D. Letter E. H I
Okay.
J K L M
Change it to NO2.
N.
So we're now calculating the rate of formation for NO2. So I need the value here. So anong value ni rate of formation ni NO2?
Same din po.
Okay, for NO2, the rate of formation, since parehas naman silang 1/2, then isa negative 1/2, then positive 1/2 lang, denoting the appearance and disappearance. For NO2, correct, you'll have, unit. Write the unit. Kasi rate yan eh. Very good. So the rate of formation for nitrogen dioxide is 0.066 molar per second. How about the rate of disappearance for O2? So what will happen?
It's just 2 times the 0.0066. It's 1/2. Wait, what? Yes,
Good.
it's
So
one
it's
half.
not times 2 ha. You need to take the half of 0.066. Okay. Ano dapat yung ano mo? Sign, Josh. Okay, good. So the rate of disappearance this time of oxygen gas is negative 0.033 molar per second. Very good. So ayan. We're good with letter A. O, di ba? Tapos na kagad natin yung letter A. 13 is your lucky number. Then, charan! We'll have
The
letter
13 po
B.
is the herald of death. It means po, it means I will score only 13%.
Wait. Oo nga, iskoran natin. So, this is correct ha. So, mag-annotate ako. O, sige, 2 points and then tig 1 point lang din ito. Ay, hindi. Tig 1 lang sila lahat kasi madali lang to eh. O, 3 points ka so far. I'll record that. 3 points ka na ha. Next, let's proceed with letter B. For letter B, tig 2 points ang A and B.
What?
1A, 1B. Tig 2 points
Incentive.
muna.
Incentive.
Okay, you have here a problem. Like I'll define first or I'll read first the problem ha. You have sucrose, which is C12H22O11. You react that with dilute acid so that you can form the simpler sugars, glucose and fructose under aqueous solution. So you now have this reaction. So I think hindi to dapat HCl, Josh. 'Di ba? C12H22O11 aqueous. So dinisolve lang ito muna pala. So dissolving dissolving dissolution.
In mild acid.
Yeah. Pero dapat HCl ito. I think this is wrong. Dapat HCl na to. Kasi naghiwalay na siya eh. Na-hydrolyze na into 2 glucose units.
Imposible pang HCl kasi yung kailangan po ng 2H2HH saka isa pa pong O para maging dalawang glucose tsaka fructose.
Yeah, you need water din para mabuo mo nga siya kasi condensation reaction ang ano eh, formation ng situation. Yes, correct. H2O ang needed mo dito. Pero dapat naka-indicate dito, siguro acid catalyze ito. May H+. Yeah, that's correct. Yan, naging aqueous na siya. Yeah, tama-tama naman yung reaction pala. So this reaction is correct kasi reverse siya nung formation ng C12H dito. That's correct. So, ang pag-hydrolyze mo, presence ito. Kailangan may presence ka nito. Anyway, ayan. So, tama yan. At 23 degrees Celsius in 0.5 molar HCl, the following data for the disappearance of sucrose were given. Okay. So, for letter A, determine the order of the reaction and the rate law expression. Then for letter B, you need to get the half-life for the conversion of sucrose into glucose and fructose based on the conditions of analysis. With this, I'll give you an idea, Joshua, or you give me the strategy. How can you determine the rate, the order of the reaction? Do what?
Do linear regression.
For what? For all types of order. The first order, second order, zero order.
I don't know po, since I am judging na po, I'm judging my senses. I will start with the first order.
Sige, I'll let you screen share. Pero for the sake of learning and confirming your ideas or for your calculations of the order of reactions, please give me as well anong parameter ang need natin so that we can know that that is really the order of the reaction. You need to get what? The
R cubed. R squared.
Very good. The R squared. Give me the R squared if you have zero order, first order, and then second order. Yeah, zero order. Ang bilis na calculate na. Ayan, calculate mo muna yung R squared ng second order.
Well, actually positive. Yes. Possible.
So, ayan. As a review din, yan, while you're doing the ano ha, yan. While you're doing the R squared for second order, what is your x-axis lagi?
T.
Okay, time. And then what will be your y-axis for zero order?
Y
For
axis.
zero order, as
80.
is. Okay. And what is your for first order?
Ln.
Very good. And for the second order?
1 to the negative 1.
Very good. 1 over 80 or, ayan, sobrang sanay ka na. 80 raised to negative 1. That will be your linear regression analysis for the order of reactions. Okay, so
Therefore,
we
it is
can clearly see here.
my intuition was
Correct.
correct.
Okay, so that's one 2A kagad. So how about the next question? Calculate the half-life. Since first order ito, you can easily use na the formula for half-life. What is the half-life? What is the formula for the
You
half-life
still have to
ng first
calculate.
order? Hmm.
Regression calc. So, K is negative 0.33. K equals
Mhm.
negative 0.33.
You have a negative k ba? What is your linear equation for first order? Sulat mo muna yung linear equation mo. ln A, okay, good, is equal to negative kt. Ayun. So, may negative sign. So, whatever yung negative sign, mabubura din siya. Kasi m is equal to negative k, right?
Positive po yung slope eh.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Mali po yung nalagay ko pa pala po is yung,
That's the slope.
hindi po, yung for second order kaya pala.
Okay. Sige. Iano mo muna. Yeah. Okay. Gets.
Hindi
Kasi
ko pa po
sa
nabula.
second order, sa second order kasi ay positive ang slope, right? That's correct.
Ayan. Okay, so now it is...
Ayan, good. So, m is equal to negative k. Okay. Then, don't forget the unit. Correct. Lagyan mo T1 half para alam natin. T1 half. T1 half equals ln 2 over k. Good. Yan, lagyan. Huwag mo kakalimutan magsulat lagi ng variables sa left side, Josh, ha? So that readers will know what you are calculating. 3.48 seconds. Minutes ba or seconds?
Minutes.
Ano yung nasa table mo? Anong value
Time
yung...
minutes.
Okay. Minutes nga. Correct. So, balikan natin yung problem, ha? Tignan mo to. So, ibig sabihin, after 3.481 minutes, you'll now have half of your concentration. So, let's see if it's logical, ha? Ayan. Tignan mo. Ano yung half-life mo, Josh? 3.48 something, right?
Opo.
So, ibig sabihin nga nun, around here, 3.58 something. Or kung ano man yung na-calculate mo, 3.58 or 3.48. Let me double check. The answer is 3.48 pala. Sorry. 3.48. So 3.48, 0.5. Logical ba siya? That it's
Opo.
between 3 and 4? Correct. Ayan, mache-check
Mga
mo siya.
halos
O
nga
nga,
po,
no?
mga halos nga pong 3.
3.48 minutes. And then, you'll now have the half of your concentration. Okay, we're good with what B? B.1. We're good with B.1 already. Check. So 2 points and then another 2 points. So far wala ka pang mali. Okay,
There
let's
should be
proceed
none.
with number 2.
Pero soon po
Okay.
kasi my prophecy is that it will only be 13% because of the unlucky number.
Let's see, let's see. Okay, proceed tayo sa number 2 ha. For number 2, this is the problem. So ngayon wala nang data, walang table ngayon dito.
What? It's the PVNRT. It has come back to haunt me.
Okay, they're haunting you again. At hindi lang ito PVNRT, may stoichiometry pa siya. So at 65%, at 65 degrees Celsius, the half-life daw for the first order reaction. So please take note, the order of the reaction is given. It's first order. Okay? So the first order decomposition of N2O5 gas is 2.38 minutes. So binigay na yung half-life. So you can easily get the K. Okay? Kasi may formula ka naman. So this is the reaction. N2O5 decomposes into 2 molecules of N2O2 plus 1/2 O2 gas. So if you have the 1 gram of N2O5 placed in an evacuated 15 liters flask at 65 degrees Celsius, what is the initial partial pressure in millimeter mercury of N2O5 gas? And then for letter B, what is the partial pressure in millimeter mercury of N2O5 after 2.38 minutes? So please take note after 2.38 minutes. So madali yung B in a sense na makukuha mo kagad yung um, mass or mole ni N2O5. Then, so letter C, what is the total pressure in millimeter mercury after 2.38 minutes? Okay, so yung una, partial pressure lang ni N2O5. Ang after 2.38 minutes. Ang susunod sa letter C, the total pressure na rather after 2.38 minutes. Question, Josh. At letter C, what are the gases present?
What are the gases
Meron.
present?
Do
N2O5,
you have?
N2O,
Okay. And
N2O5,
and
N2O2,
and
O2.
correct. So tatlong gases na yan. So therefore, they will have partial pressures. For each gas, may partial pressure siya. So you can get the total pressure after 2.38 minutes or at 2.38 minutes. Okay. You now solve or show me the solution for number B.2. You can now share your screen. So ito medyo ano to, culmination to, or it's an integrated problem involving gases, stoichiometry, and then chemical kinetics. Okay. I'll give you siguro mga 2 to 3 minutes tapos mo na yan. You start first with B.2A. Yung ano, calculating the initial pressure ni N2O5.
Initial pressure, 1 gram. Assuming
Small enough. Go ahead. Okay, what's happening to your writings? Medyo ano siya. Ayusin mo na yung writings mo. Okay. You need to get the okay, sige. Go ahead. Mamaya na ako magko-comment Then you explain your work later.
Mamaya na comment kasi mali. I have to find the mali. I have to find where it is. Nothing, nothing. Yan na po.
O, letter A pa lang yan. O, i-continue mo na hanggang ano. Ano nga ito? Hanggang E? E ba yun or D? A, B, C rather. A, B, C. So, next will be B. What is the partial pressure in millimeter mercury of N2O5 after half-life, 2.38? And then sa letter C, what is the total pressure sa flask after 2.38 minutes?
Dito ko po
Continue.
lalagay. Ay, dito.
Yeah, pwede naman. Pwede ka naman mag-extend ng ano, ng another page. Yan, good. Ayan. C ka na, letter C. For letter C, Josh, you might want to write the reaction for this. So I'll dictate the reaction for you. N2O5 going to 2 and N2O2 plus 1 half O2. Okay. So yan siya. Yan, go. Okay, that's a good good way. You calculated first the millimoles of the different components. Continue. Kaya nakakapag-rehearsal na rin si Josh habang nagso-solve ng chem problems.
Oo nga po
May
eh.
tuning.
May tuning po eh. Actually, pagka ano po, yung, kunyari, nagbabasa po siya or nag-aaral, sabi ko, sige, kanta ka na rin para
Nagaganyan po.
kulang-kulang yung oras eh. Sabi ko na, para
Tsaka
sabay.
may mga ganyan po eh, yung na-associate nila yung mga notes dun sa
Oh, dapat
mga
po, mas maganda. Sabi ko,
na naaral.
ano po, ano kasi, is it
Parang yung music po, no, parang taste of the past din. Kasi minsan pag nababasa ko or naririnig ko po yung kanta,
naalala
naalala
niyo
ko
po,
yung yung mga
yung ginagawa niyo
lessons na
yung
ano.
moment na yon. Kunyari,
Correct.
may song na, oops, may namatayan kayo or something. Maalala niyo yun. O kaya,
Na-associate mo na, oo.
o kaya meron kayong triumphant moment. Di ba po? Synesthesia yata yung tawag eh. I forgot kung I don't know if I'm correct. Yun,
Yeah, yung association po ng
ako
music with the
ng mga senses.
experience.
Nung mas bata si Josh, we were more conscious sa ganun po lahat. Parang ina-associate. Lahat yung mga
Oh,
sinabi sa theory sa mga books, ginagawa na, so we were applying it. So sabi ko, it works. Sabi ko, pag gano'n, no? Tapos
correct.
ngayon, medyo iba, medyo
At
he's
saka
on
ano
his,
po, napapansin ko din yan sa mga estudyante ko po talagang yung mga highly functional. Or hindi, parang sa atin na lang, sir. Ako kasi ganun po ako eh, nag-associate ako eh. Medyo visual learning tapos sa senses. Minsan po naalala ko yung mga lessons namin pag may naririnig akong kanta o
yes.
kaya even yung yung sa books, naalala ko kung ano yung positioning niya,
Tama.
anong around page number or pag nagbabasa po ako, pag
Very
nafe-feel
visual.
ko kasi,
Very visual kayo talaga. Actually, ako yung
pag
mga
nafe-feel
tinuturuan ko
ko
po,
po yung ganon,
parang ina-assess ko agad kung ano ba to, visual learner or auditory or ano. Ganun agad. Tapos ang ginagawa ko sa kanila, I will convert you to a visual learner.
mm,
It can be done pala kasi si Joshua hindi naman siya visual po before eh. Nobody will believe kasi ngayon nakakapag-imagine siya ng, di ba po? Dati hindi eh. Talagang
yeah,
totally non-visual si Joshua.
mm.
Auditory siya
Good.
pero sabi ko pwede palang i-convert. So, I think it can be done with other kids also. And so far, yun kaya mong i-convert, gagaling talaga. Mas mabilis matuto. Mas nakakaintindi. Minsan, nakikinig
Though
yun,
may mga theories po, no, parang dinidisprove nila yung yung
ah,
type of learning nga daw.
hindi,
Na actually wala daw talagang
incomplete
parang visual.
incomplete yun ano po nila yun ano nila. So sabi ko we want to contribute there. Pero
Yeah,
dapat meron tayong data tsaka meron tayong proof na ano. So
correct.
ako yun ano po ito yung mga tinuturuan ko talaga. Parang kanina, hindi ka masyadong visual. Sabi ko hindi ka totally visual. So what
Yeah.
take it sa
Actually,
bata.
parang mixture ang mga estudyante ng
Opo.
mga or different people, different persons, may mixture sila ng
Pero meron
the
talaga
way they learn.
more visual. Parang kayo, sinasabi na naan yung page. Ako rin, very visual ako eh. Kaya, when I was young, hindi ako kasing lakas ng memory ni Josh. Pero, compared sa ibang kids, malakas na ako. Kaya, sa mga games of the general, champion po ako eh. So, tatatanda ako
Wow,
si Josh.
naglalaro din po pala kayong Games of the
Opo, wala
Generals.
dati nag-petition pa nga ako sa Olympics na sana ma-accept siya as ano,
Magkaroon,
Neighborhood
oo.
recognizing.
ma-recognize siya para
Wow.
pagka-Olympic
Ano
medal.
yan? Gusto ko rin yan nung high school. Parang nung high school po kasi ay ako naman ang parang fourth year champion during sa Games
Ah,
of the Gen. Ngayon po hindi ko na masyado na kasi strategy game siya no sir.
strategy
Ganda
siya.
yon.
Ang nakatalo
Strategy
na
game siya.
sa Don Bosco po, puro Don Bosco, ang mga Soliman lang naglalaban pagka mga
Oh.
medals. Tapos
Oo.
for champion sa elementary, Soliman, champion sa high school,
Mm,
Soliman. So, tapos sa mga Inter Don Bosco, sa ako nationwide, champion.
mm,
Kaya lang, isa lang nakatalo sa akin, isang tournament, pero one time nila ako tinalo yung kuya ko.
mm.
Kasi,
Ah,
ang galing din eh.
mm.
Pinag-aaralan nila yung game ko eh, na po, kasi nobody was beating me.
Yung
So
yung
ako,
yung ano no, technique. Mm.
Opo, inaano nila. Pero okay lang. Tapos na siya, pinakita ko kay Josh yung game niya eh. Sabi ko si Uncle Joey, he beat me in
Mm.
one tournament. He was the champion in high school. He beat our cousin. Laban-laban si Liman din eh. Ako,
Oo.
tinalo ko yung cousin ko for the championship.
Oo.
Tapos laban kami, high school champion versus elementary champion para sino overall champion.
Yeah,
Ngayon,
oo.
leading ako ngayon kasi hindi niya pa ako natalo ever eh.
Oo.
Ngayon, sunod-sunod niya ako natalo kasi iba yung ano niya. Yung kuya ko,
Ibang oo.
yun parang
Naaral na yata yung strategy mo, sir.
hindi, kamikaze. It worked only for me kasi I was, ano, yun ako, yun tamang, yun usual na strategy yung ginagawa ko. Pero sa ibang, tapos nasa psychologize na ako, pero sa, ginawa niya yung sa, kunyari yung laban yung mga iba, Inter Don Bosco,
Mm.
it did not work. Talo siya.
Ayun lang.
Ayun lang.
Okay po. Good ano yun, good side story.
Oh,
Ayun.
tapos
Ito.
gagawin
Sige
niya,
po, sir.
gagawin niya uli po sana, ano, adult na kami.
Oo.
May patay, dala-daling games of the general, sabi ko after so many years, kasi gusto niya pa,
Wow.
gusto niyang i-prove sa
Parang
ano,
gusto ko tuloy maghanap niyan. Wala kasi dito, sir, sa malapit na National Summit. Pero baka meron sa Lazaro or Shopee. Buti na brought up niyo po yung game na
po,
yun. Kasi maganda siya eh.
pagka,
Ano
pagka,
siya,
pagka,
strategy
pagka
game
nagkita
siya.
tayo, mag-game tayo eh. Tapos sa
Strategy
I'm
game
play,
so
kasi
close
siya.
po to beating him.
he was almost, he almost beat me already, pero kaya lang,
Oh.
sabi ko, may kulang sa'yo. May kulang yung strategy mo para next time, matalo mo ako. Kasi talaga hindi ko na siya pinagbibigyan eh po eh, no? Dati pinagbibigyan ko siya just to encourage siya. Pero sabi ko sa kanya,
Yeah.
nagpapatalo talaga ako. Pero this time, sabi ko, hindi ka manalo kasi talagang ginagalingan ko na. Sabi ko, no, malapit ka na.
Correct.
Kaya,
Yes, oo. Ibig sabihin nun kapag seryoso na si Sir Jay nun, Josh, ibig sabihin gumagaling ka na talaga.
sabi ko nga, nung naglaban kami ni last ng kuya ko, sabi niya, ako lang nakatalo dyan. Sabi niya, no? Hindi niya ibang sa patay. Sabi ko, sa patay? Nagdala pa ng Games of the General galing from Tarlac. Nakita kami sa Manila, dala-dala pa from Tarlac po yung Games of the General.
Oo.
He wanted to prove to his kids.
Ano kasi ang tawag doon eh,
Bragging rights.
milestone.
Tsaka,
Milestone yun.
tsaka bragging rights po eh.
Mm-mm,
Tapos
correct.
naglaban kami. Talaga halos napatay nila lahat yung aking mga generals. Kaya lang ako,
Oo.
lakas ang memory ko. Alam ko na lahat yun sa kanya.
Yun lang.
So, sabi ko, tsaka yung mga pamangkin ko, yun may Q eh. Parang, may mga ganun, no? May reaction. Sabi ko, ngayon,
Oo.
I will not continue playing kung may reaction. Sabi ko kasi,
Mm-mm.
natatalo ako sa reactions. Yung papa nyo, may
Oo, kasi ano siya eh, parang nagkaka-clue.
nagka-clue. Sabi ko, eto, nantahimik kami, one by one, no? Naubos sa kanya, ho. Ito na lang pieces sa akin, natalo pa siya, oh. Sabi niya, sabi ko, there. Sabi ko, no?
Oo.
Ikaw lang.
Ayun yung maganda sa sa Games of the General. Parang kahit ang dami mo ng pieces na nawala, pero kapag ang galing ng strategy mo at natandaan mo, okay, parang nararamdaman ko na ito yung mga pieces niya. Sunod-sunod na siya.
Si Joshua,
Naaano mo eh,
opo,
na-turn mo yung
dapat
tide.
yung memory mo talaga. Sabi ko kay Joshua,
Oo.
alam ko talo niya na ako, talagang lampaso po ako eh. Ang konti lang pieces ko, tapos ano siya, parang nawala siya ng plan. Yung parang,
Feeling ko na overconfident minsan eh.
overconfident
Maano
siya.
din yan eh. May psychology din eh. No? Siyempre kapag nakikita mo, ay, onti na lang yung kalaban ko,
Oo,
mananalo
konti na
na
lang,
ako.
kala niya.
Hindi niya
Tsaka,
alam magaganda pa yung pieces din na naiwan sa'yo.
tsaka ako kasi exposed ako sa mga kuya ko, tsaka sa mga pinsan namin, tsaka sa na minsan unorthodox in strategy.
Yeah.
Sige, gagamitin ko na talaga to. Sabi ko, dahil tatalunin ako ni Joshua, hindi ako papatalo mo. You must earn it. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano. Ayun, natalo pa siya. Sabi ko, sayang. Sabi ko,
Ayun po. Magandang exercise po.
Opo.
Next time po, kapag siguro maganda, no, may face-to-face po if ever
Opo,
makadalaw
magkano
dyan.
tayo
No?
dito. Nag-ano po kayo, sir, na mahilig ba kayo sa music?
Ah, kind of po, music. Though sa classical, hindi ganun po. Pero
Yeah,
may
may kayo,
kikinig lang po pag mapatulog
pwede kayo
po.
mag-video okay?
Pwede naman po.
Yung
Video
sa
okay.
farm kasi
Medyo
kahit na sumigaw kayo
kahit pa
doon sa
paano
farm,
nasa tune ako.
Walang maririnig.
Sana
wala,
nasa tune pa rin.
doon sa farm, kahit na sumigaw kayo, walang, walang istorbo eh.
Tama ka rin. Ayun po,
Kaya
sige po.
kahit na gabing-gabi na, no? Si Joshua eh, bumabaan pa
Super
rin.
kanta pa rin. Ayun po, sige po. May meeting lang po on 3
Okay
pero
po.
check ko po muna. Actually, Josh, tama lahat ng sagot mo. Tama yan. 6 points na. Yes, tama yan lahat. Yes, tama yan lahat. Sabi sa'yo. These are all correct. Pero tignan mo ha.
Lalo po ako sa
Taran.
millimeter mercury. Nakita ko po eh. May trick dito.
Wait lang. May papakita ako sa'yo.
Oh,
Ito
wait.
yung susunod ha. Next page mo, Josh.
Bakit?
Next page.
So, okay yung A mo, di ba? Ang strategy mo for A, go back ka nga lang. Go back ka sa second page. Di ba your strategy there is you calculated first the millimeter mercury of N2O5, right? Yung initial. So, that's 13.01 millimeter mercury. Tapos, sa letter B, you don't need to calculate anymore. Times 0.5 lang yan kasi half lang siya. Diba, please take note, Josh, your pressure is actually similar or can be associated with concentration for gases, right? Diba yung pressure natin? Kasi ang pressure naman related yan sa moles eh. So, yun na rin siya. Ngayon, to easily solve this, Josh, kapag sa letter C, tama naman ito. Actually, ito yung standard method na pag-solve. Yan. You get first the moles, the millimoles of N2O5, N2O2, tsaka O2 at 2.38 minutes. Correct yun. And then get their respective partial pressure using their PBNRT to, right? Tama ba ako? Nag-PBNRT ka dito?
I'm too scared po to do some shortcuts eh.
Yes. Okay lang yon. Pero if you'll do this, okay lang 'yun kasi ibig sabihin you're being skeptic this time. Tingnan nagiging critical thinking ka na pwedeng hindi mag-work yung shortcut mo. Yeah. So which is you go to the safe side or safe solution. Next mo siya. Next mo, Josh. So next page po. So ayan para ano nga ito? N2O5. Tapos, naging 2NO2, right? Plus 1 half O2, Josh. Correct? Tapos, at 2.38 minutes, ilan yung ano mo? 6 point, ano yun? Kalimutan ko. 6.509 or 508. 6.51 na lang millimeter mercury. This is your pressure for what?
The pressure
N2O5. N2O5, right? If this is concentration, Josh, pwede mo na siyang gawin ganito. Para makuha mo yung pressure for NO2, ganito na siya. Ay, wait lang Pangit ang sulat ko din. NO2. Turn off lang ako ng aking Hop. Ayan, para mas mabilis. PNO2, ayan. So, di ba 6.51 millimeter mercury, Josh? Pwede mo nang gamitin yung stoichiometric coefficient. So, magiging ganito lang siya. Ano nga ito? Kung ito ay para sa N2O5, so 1 N2O5, 2 para sa NO2. Di 13 point something to, right? Tama ba ako?
Labo.
This will be 13.02. So this will be for NO2. Tapos, yung susunod naman, for O2 naman, mas madali. So, sundin mo lang din yung stoichiometric coefficient. This will be 1, tapos 1 half or 0.5. This will be 6.51 times 0.5. That will be 3.255 millimeter mercury. Tapos, alam mo naman, ito yung sa N2O5. So, i-total mo lang to. Pag tinotal mo yan lahat, that will be 22.7 millimeter mercury. O, di ba? Shortcut talaga siya. Tingnan mo yung sagot mo. Hindi mo na kailangan dumaan sa PBNRT. Tama ba ako? Ayun, 22.7 millimeter mercury. Alam mo kung ano yung basis natin dito, Josh? Nakalimutan mo yung concept ni
No.
partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure. According to Dalton's law of partial pressure, whatever pressure you'll have dun sa mga gases mo, equivalent din yan sa mga moles nila. So, no need to do the PBNRT. Kasi once you have the partial pressure ng isa, and if you have the equation, you can easily relate the partial pressure using the stoichiometric coefficients. Okay? So, ayan din yun. Ayan yung nakuha mo. 6.508, 13.02, 3.254. Pero, this is the long cut or the long method, Josh. Ang maganda, na-expose ka sa long method. Ayan. Kasi kung yung shortcut yung gagawin mo, Josh, i-expose pa rin naman kita sa method na to eh. Okay? But to make the solution nga shorter and actually, ano naman din siya, very logical. You apply the Dalton's law of partial pressures. Yan. Which is yun. Yung gamitin mo na lang yung stoichiometric coefficient and then makukuha mo na lahat. Di ba? Shortcut siya. So, ang haba kasi ng solution. Mahaba kasi talaga yung solution na yun eh. Pero if you will notice, Dalton's law of partial pressure, you can just use that reaction or that equation. Anyway, siguro last problem po tayo for
Apo.
today. Let me
When the
share lang po the
final
ano. Finally, dapat ka
fishing.
halfway tayo dito eh. Ito, sige. A reaction is 50% complete in 30 minutes. So this will test naman your knowledge about the orders of reaction, which is madali ito para sa'yo. How long after its start will a reaction be 75% complete? If the reaction is A, first order, B, zero order, C, second order. So please take note, ito yung word mo dyan. A reaction is 50% complete in 30 minutes. So parang after 75% completion, gaano siya katagal mag-i-take? Okay? So ibig sabihin, binigay yung half-life. So 30 minutes siya. So anong mangyayari pag first order, zero order, second order? Okay, go ahead. So pwede mo yan gawa na lang ng table para mas mabilis mo siyang ma-present. Siyempre, madali yung first order kasi may T1.5 ka na eh. So, hahanapin mo na lang yung
Posible pa yun eh.
75%.
Imposible yata po yung T for ban order.
Yeah, first order. Makita mo yan. Go ahead. First order ka muna. That will be B.3, right? B.3 point A. Ayan, first order muna. Very good. So, ang technique mo dyan is get the K. Yun yung mga K. Kasi di ba we can derive naman the K from the equation. Tapos pag may K ka na, gamitin mo na lang yung linear equation mo for the first order. So what is the K unit for ano? O yung K unit mo muna for first order. Huwag mong laging kakalimutan yung unit, Josh, para sure kang tama ka talaga. You'll get the full credit. Okay, good. Short, second -1 o minute -1 yan?
Hour -1.
Ayan, tama yan. Parang ang magiging ano mo dyan, 80 mo ay, ano ba, 75% complete. Pag 75% complete, 0.25 na lang may iwan. Or 75% na lang. Ayan, balikan mo ulit yung ano yung formula natin for half-life naman ng zero order. Alala mo?
I'll just derive it.
Tama yung ginagawa mo, correct?
Among Us. Hindi.
Wow, second order na. Finally.
Oh no. Tanananan. 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 Tan. Tan. Tanananan. Tanananan.
So with this problem, Josh, ine-emphasize naman dito, you should know the different formulas for the half-life naman. So always remember, and para to guide you din, for the first order, madali. Half-life is equal to ln2 over k. Kapag zero order naman, half-life or T1 half equals AO over 2k. Yun yung formula natin, AO over 2k. Tapos kapag second order, sige, half-life is equal to the inverse of the product of K and AO. Anyway, makakalculate ko rin naman yan. Okay, go ahead. So the familiarity with half-life is needed here. Ayun po pala, habang nagsasolve po si Josh, Sir J, sinabi ko po, Tuesday and Thursday po, si Sir James po yung mamimit nyo.
Apo.
New topic po yun, equilibrium.
Apo.
Tapos pagka Sunday po, ay Saturday pala, rather, ako po ulit yung mamimit nyo. This time, tatapusin na po namin lahat ng calculations sa kinetics.
Apo.
That will be on February 26 po. Para pagka March 5 po, so kunwari may time pa po kami sa next Saturday, bali next Saturday po imimit ko po ulit kayo. Pag may free time pa po tayo doon, I'll introduce some problems din na kay Josh as a review na din sa ano niya March 5 niyang exam. So sabi ko, hatiin natin yung exam mo into two parts. So 50 items will be for March 5 kasi ang na-prepare ko po ay 100 items eh. So tinanong ko siya kung kaya niya bang sagutan yun within 2 hours. So sabi ko parang ano naman yun, masyado ding mabigat. Kasi nga po ang board exam po namin ay 100 items for 4 hours eh. So
Apo.
parang gawin ko nga po para medyo siya, 2 hours, 50 points or 50 items, then 50 items, another 2 hours. Bali, imimit ko po kayo ng March 5, March 12 for exams,
Apo.
and then March 19 and March 26, answer naman po. Sasagutan natin siya.
Apo.
Para at least po may feedback kay Josh para ma-refine talaga natin kung ano
Apo.
po yung
Mas
mga
para talaga
problems niya.
yung talagang
Ali yung mga po, weekdays nun, weekdays ng buong March at nung last week po ng Feb, which is next week po, puro si Sir James po yun.
Apo.
Equilibrium. So,
Okay.
yun po. Oh, negative 90?
Exactly daw.
Oh, what's your formula for the linear equation? What's the linear equation formula for for the second order? Oh, di ba? Plus KT naman siya eh. Feeling ko ni negative mo.
Ay,
Pero another way to solve this, Joshua, i-shift solve mo na lang siya. Ako, shift solve ko para hindi na ako
POV sinabi yung sagot.
ako nag-shift solve kasi may calculus naman eh. Ayun, nag-shift solve ka na. Okay, correct. The answer will be 90 minutes. Sinip solve mo na lang siya. Kasi kanina feeling ko nag-aano kay algebra ka. Which is okay ha. Better yon Josh. Ako, I highly recommend my students mag-algebra muna kayo kasi hindi nyo pa naman masyadong gamay pa yung mismong kinetics eh. Kaso lang, I think sa case mo, you know already the concept behind the kinetics. So it's now ready. You're now ready to use the technology. Nandiyan naman yung calcul. Gamitin na rin natin so that you can increase naman your calculation skills din using your calculator. So, tama ito. 2 points. And then next, pabalik nga, Josh. Check ko lang yung answer mo. That's 90 minutes. Tapos sunod po ay 44.91 minutes for zero order, which is 45 minutes. Correct? And the first one is 60.01 minutes or 1 hour. So, lahat nakuha mo naman siya. So far, wala ka pang mali sa kinetics ha. So, good luck. Ayan. Yay! Yay! So,
Perfect!
Magaling po siya ngayon. Kasi ano po ito, di ba? Parang ito yung talagang na-train namin sa mga order reactions. Order of reaction. So, orders of the reaction. So, next meeting po, we'll have the
kayo eh. Parang nagkagamayan na kayo eh, na po.
Yeah.
Style.
Kaya na siya talaga, parang solid na talaga yung foundation niya. Yung mga next na topics po, next questions pala ay feel ko madadalian na lang siya. Though baka siguro ma-challenge na lang siya dun sa mga factors affecting reaction rates like yung may Arrhenius equation, presence ng catalyst, etc. So ayun po, thank you so much po for today and I hope po may new learnings po ulit si Joshua. So see you po on Saturday.
Thank you so much, sir.
Na-chat ko na po si Sir James, na-inform ko na rin po siya. So he'll be meeting you po on Tuesday. Thank you so much po and have a nice weekend po. And take a rest din, Josh ha. Make sure you prioritize your health as well. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sir Jay. Ingat po. Regards din po kay Ma'am Julie.
Happy weekend
Sige po. Happy weekend. Sige po.